Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to Airbnb your own house. So firstly, launch Airbnb application on your mobile device. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now tap on the option of profile that is at the bottom right corner of your screen. After this, once you come here, just simply tap on the option of Airbnb your place. Okay, here we go. Now, after you come here, tap on Airbnb setup. Now, over here, simply tap on the option of Get Started in order to proceed. Now, over here, you can match with a superhost or start on your own as well. Now, let's tap on Next. And then, as we're about to Airbnb our house, I'm going to tap on the house option and tap on Next. Now you have to choose these options according to your preference and tap on Next. Now choose your location and address. Now after this, enter your precise location and address and then simply tap on Looks Good. Now over here, you can pin the right spot and then you have to simply tap on the option of Next after you pin on the map. Now over here, you have to share some basics about your place, about the number of guests, bedrooms, beds, bathrooms, and then tap on the option of Next. Now again, simply tap on the option of Next. Now you have to choose the facilities that you will be providing to your guests. So I'm going to choose any of these options given here. Now after this, simply tap on the option of Next again. Now over here, you have to add some photos of your house so that the guests can see it. And after this, all you have to do is fill in your crucial details and there you have it. You will be able to Airbnb your own house. So that's it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.